In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email marketing campaign using GetResponse. Now, if you're ready to start building, optimally reaching, and engaging your audience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the GetResponse dashboard. This is your control center for managing contacts, creating emails, and analyzing your results. Once you're there, locate the Tools section. It's generally on the top navigation bar and acts as your gateway to all functionalities GetResponse has to offer. Click on it to proceed. After accessing the tools, you'll need to select email marketing from the options you see. As a fundamental part of your marketing strategy, this will enable you to create and manage all your email campaigns efficiently. Once you've clicked on email marketing, your next step will be to select Create Newsletter. This option allows you to draft personalized emails and automated newsletters for your subscribers. You'll have two methods for creating your newsletter, either using the assistance of provided templates or crafting one by yourself. For our tutorial, we'll demonstrate creating one by yourself. Select this option, as this will give you more control and customization over your process. Next, you'll need to type in the name of your newsletter. Choose something recognizable and appropriate, as this will help you identify it quickly later. Once you've named it, you'll select the list to ensure your newsletter reaches the intended recipients. Take a moment here to double check that your list information is in good order. There's nothing worse than sending a campaign to the wrong audience. Following that, type in a subject line for your newsletter. The subject line is crucial. It determines whether recipients will open your email, so make it catchy and relevant. It's your first impression, so make it count. Now, it's time to add your recipients. Click on Add Recipients, and from there, you'll choose the appropriate list that you wish to target for this campaign. After selecting your list, go ahead and click Add. The next steps involve attaching files if needed and designing your email. You might see options to attach files. If your campaign benefits from an additional document, here's where you'd include it. However, in this walkthrough, we'll focus on designing the message instead. You will find an option to Design Message. Click on this to begin crafting your email's visual layout. There are various templates you can choose from. Once you've settled on one that fits your message and theme, you can click on it and start editing to customize it further. Inject your style and brand's voice. This is what will make your email stand out in the inboxes of your audience. After designing, click on Next. You'll then decide on whether to schedule your email campaign for later or send it immediately. For the purpose of this example, we'll choose Send Immediately so you can see how it gets launched. Lastly, confirm your selections and click on Send Message. Voila! Your email campaign is off to your audience. Now you can sit back and watch the results come in. Happy emailing!